You searched how to buy shares of Groupe Bruxelles Lambert. So here is a concise walkthrough. Groupe Bruxelles Lambert is a diversified holding company listed on Euronext under the ticker GBLB.BR. And this information is for educational purposes, not financial advice. To execute the purchase, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker GBLB.BR to find Groupe Bruxelles Lambert. Select the matching result to open the correct security page. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to observe recent movement. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure you have the correct stock. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a pending order, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once the trade is executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.